traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini Trading Room recap for Tuesday the 20th of November. And today was another fun day in the markets. Not really gaps to speak of. The market opened right around here, came down, found a little support, and started to buy up. Well, when the market came back down, that's when we started looking for a long, and we took it. We exited a little bit up here and the rest up here. So, it turned out to be a pretty good day all in all. We took one trade, working inside of a maximum profit potential of 5.25 points, and actual entries and exits, we took 7.5 points out of the market, or 30 ticks. If you want to break it down financially, 7.5 points, you're looking at 375 on the day. Definitely not bad, especially for 2.5 hours worth of watching the markets. And it comes back down to it. Yesterday we took 5 trades. Today we only took 1 trade. And it's not, how much trades you take. It's, are they good trades? Are they high probability trades? And in the grand scheme of your system, do they work? And the way I look at it, a lot of people like to, and I've been getting some emails about, system trading, like actually designing a system that runs, by itself. Just basically a mechanical system that you don't really have to do anything with. You just put on autopilot. I don't like those at all. I'm not a fan of those, and you're basically, the people that do that are successful are the large financial institutions. Your Goldman Sachs, your Merrill Lynch's, your Bank of America's, the old Lehman Brothers. You had different people like that paid hundreds of probably millions of dollars to create this. And you've probably heard a few years back an old Goldman trader took some of the code from one of their mechanical systems, and Goldman sued him. They got it back, and they will go to the end of the earth to protect it because they've spent so much money on it. So to think that you can pay $200, a couple $1,000 for something that will give you financial freedom, it doesn't really make sense to me. But I like I'm a discretionary trader, and I like a discretionary system where you can see, hey, this is a good trade, this is not a good trade, and I make the decision if I want to take it or not. That's the way that I like to work, and that's the way that I've always traded. And you can see in the results since the room has been open that I've done fairly decent at what I do. I'm not making fortunes, but that's not what trading is all about. You don't come into trading because you want to make millions of dollars out of $5,000 in a month. Because that is very, very highly unlikely. You would have to get very, very lucky to do something like that. And, trading is about being able to have the freedom to do whatever you want to do. I can trade for 2.5 hours in the morning, and then I can go to the beach, or go visit my mom, or go see some friends, or I can kind of do whatever I want. I can play guitar for the entire afternoon. I'm not locked into having to drive somewhere to work and fight traffic and go to work and then go get some lunch and worry about where do I want to eat at and all this other stuff. I don't have to worry about any of that. I can trade out of my house, and I can trade in my pajamas if I want to. Now when I set down to trade, my mindset is only on trading. I'm not taking phone calls and emailing people and all this while I'm trading. I have to be totally focused. But I do have that time freedom, and that's what trading is supposed to be about. So, compelled to talk about that a little bit. Hope you got something out of it. And, with that, hope you have a great, great day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.